Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a lovely day. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I'm super excited to share with you the Papertrey Ink release for June 2025. It is a fabulous release. We're going to go over everything that's in it, and then I created a little snippet of what each item can do. And let's jump in and get started. We're going to start off with our stamp sets. This month we have a new This Is Big Sentiment stamp set. It's called Thinking of You. This is their stamp set. There's pre-sentiments and sub-sentiments that go with this. There's also a large always in here. This is always great for coloring in greetings. If you stamp these, there is a coordinating die set that will cut those out. I went ahead and stamped and heat embossed with some orange cardstock and then also some green cardstock. That is the This Is Big Sentiments Thinking of You. Next up we have a smaller stamp set, and I love the smaller ones because they always pack a big punch. This is the Winged Serenity stamp set. There's two butterflies in here. One that is a full facing butterfly, and then the other one is a half facing one. There is a coordinating die set that will cut these out. And what I love about the die set is it die cuts out the inside of the butterfly too. Look how playful these are. I heat embossed with white embossing powder on 4 different colors of summery cardstock. And I just love the way these look. How about filling an entire background with these? They're just gorgeous. So this is the brand new Winged Serenity stamp set. Next, I get to share with you the brand new Wish You Were Here stamp set. It's a small 3x4 stamp set, perfect for traveling. The lovely thing about this is there's a coordinating die set that will cut out all the greetings. So there's 8 dies in here, and then it'll also cut out all the locator emblems. I went ahead and stamped a couple of those locators and a couple of the greetings, and I like that the locators cut out the middle section also. So that's brand new to the shop. Next up, there's a larger stamp set. This stamp set is called Eclectic Charm, and there are 2 4x6 stamp sets in here. This is a fabulous stamp set. I love that it also has a die set that has 32 dies. The dies are special. Not only does it have dies for each one of the images in here, which are layering, but they're simple layering, and they are indexed on each one of these. For example, this is 4A, 4B, 4C. So bottom layer, top layer, and then the flower center. Same with the leaves. You have 17A, 17B. So Papertrey Ink makes it easy for layering. I love that. But not only do you have the ladder shelf in here, but you also have a hanging bookshelf, which is just wonderful. So you get 2 options, and I love options in stamp sets. 32 dies in here, and let me show you what I created with it. I went ahead and created a bookshelf. My bird cage kind of went a little crooked, but look how fun this is. Mix and match to your heart's content. It fits perfectly on an A2. But if you want a larger 5x7, I think this would work great for larger size card bases also. So that's Eclectic Charm. Next up, we have a Reflections die set. This is Romans 8. It's actually Romans 8:28. And it says, "We know that in everything God works for good with those who love Him, who are called according to His purpose." It's just a beautiful Bible verse. I just love the Reflection series. What is new and I think is so amazing is Papertrey Ink has 2 die options for the Reflections. This die will cut out the outline of the Bible verse. So that makes it really wonderful. And then Reflections they also have the 2-piece die set that will fit the larger greeting here. Let me show you. I cut it out with some green cardstock, but you see how perfectly it fits in there. But I love that Papertrey Ink also makes it a set, so you can cut out a size smaller and frame it if you wanted to. So this is the Reflections Romans 8 stamp set. This is the die set number 1. This is the die set number 2. And lastly, we have one more stamp set. This is the Well Traveled stamp set. It's a 4x6 stamp set. There is a coordinating die set that has 20 dies in it, and it will cut out all of these little luggage. I'm going to call these luggage stickers. So much fun. I went ahead and stamped a few of them. I stamped hashtag Wanderlust. I stamped the Aloha. We have the world is yours to explore, and I stamped and cut out Fragile. So those are just a few. And I'll show you a die set next that these will go perfect on. Okay, so I'm going to keep these out. This again is called the Well Traveled. That goes really wonderful with a brand new die set from Papertrey Ink called Build a Suitcase. I just love this. If your child's going off to school, this is great. If you're going on a vacation or a holiday, or if you're just going on a trip in general, this die set is perfect. There's 25 dies in here, and it creates two different kinds of suitcases. It creates a traditional suitcase, and then it also creates a rolling suitcase that's upright. It has pockets that you can add too, and the pockets have cut lines, so you could stuff those pockets with flip-flops or whatever you'd like. I had created this suitcase here. It also creates the flip-flops, the little baseball cap, the little sun cap, and then the travel pillow along with some sunglasses. This is the side suitcase, but again, if you wanted to flip it this way, there's wheels that you can add, and then there's pockets that you can change up your travel case with. This is where those stickers come in fabulous. Let me show you. If you were to add these, I think it goes perfect with any suitcase you want to plan on. Doesn't that look like so much fun? So this Well Traveled goes perfectly with the Build a Suitcase. And they're great on their own also for somebody who's traveling. So that is that. Next up, we have a brand new Into the Blooms die set. There's 13 dies in here, and I love coneflowers. So pretty. That's what the name of this set is called, coneflowers. It creates 3 of them, and they're layerable with the leaves that you can mix and match. I went ahead and created a little cluster here. Aren't those so pretty? I just love these. Gorgeous for any size card or any style. Sky's the limit when it comes to the Into the Blooms coneflowers. Okay, next up we have another Build a series. This is called Build a Sailboat. It creates the nicest sailboat you could imagine. And then there is some water scenes. There's actually 3 different water scenes. And then there are some clouds in here along with a sun or a moon, depending on, you know, what type of weather you want. We also have some seagulls here. I went ahead and created my sailboat with a sunny scene with clouds. And I actually die cut out a few birds. I love the dotted detail on the water here. I use this water, but there's 2 different waters also that you could use. But isn't that so fun? Great for so many occasions. I think this is great for Dad's Day. Anybody who loves sailing, I think this is fabulous for. That's brand new to the shop. This month, our corner die set is filled with flutter. We have the cornered butterflies die set. This is a 2-piece die set, and these dies go perfectly in the corner of your cardstock. I put one here and one here, so you have a lefty and a righty. You could flip them over and fill in the entire background. I think that's a pretty fabulous thing. But it does die cut out the butterflies. How pretty is this? So that is brand new. We have a new Elegant Edges die set. This is a 2-piece die set. Elegant Edges usually has the outline and then it has the edge piece. Okay, so you can cut out the well, let me just show you. I used both of the dies in here. Okay, so you have the butterflies. Now if I didn't add the outline, this would just be yellow cardstock on top. But I cut out the outline and put the darker yellow behind it. And this is great not only at an angle, but this way, horizontal or vertical too. I think it works great. So that is the Elegant Edges Butterflies die set. I'm all about layers, and Papertrey Ink has a brand new Love to Layer die set. This is called Playful Scallops. Each one of these oval scallops has stitch detail along with a scalloped border. And for this die set, the scallops recede in size. Let me show you. So this is a larger scallop with a stitch detail. And then this size has a slightly smaller scallop. They layer beautifully together also. And then you also have the smallest scallop here. So the brand new Love to Layer Playful Scallops is new to the shop. We have one more die set, and it's a fantastic die set. It's a larger die set. It's called Build a Butterfly, and there are 24 dice in here. This will die cut out the butterfly, but the nice thing is about this set is you can customize your butterfly. There's accent pieces that you can add details to the butterfly base. And sky's the limit with this. There's diamonds, there's curvies here, swirls. There's so many different details that you can add. But not only do you get the butterfly, you also get a landing area for the butterfly. And I would call these, what's that flower? Geranium. There is a flower in here with some larger leaves, 2 larger leaves, and then the flowers here are layerable, so you can actually stack them together to create a big, huge geranium if you wanted to. You could spread them out, and I just love that about this die set. So this is a very versatile die set. This butterfly here is an outline, so it's perfect for layering too. Let me show you what I created. I put my butterfly on that big leaf here, and I layered it just with the plain base bottom, and then those are the flowers. I layered one on top of the other for a little bit of dimension and created 3 little clusters with this. But isn't that so pretty? So this is brand new, but while I have this out, I want to show you another butterfly that I created. So pretty. The black detail edges were created, I customized with the pieces that were in here. And then I ink blended the pattern using the Papertrey Ink Build a Butterfly stencil. So this stencil, you can add 4 different styles of butterfly pattern to the base butterfly, which just makes it fabulous. Let me show you. They're all individual, so you would just die cut out your butterfly and ink blend right over the top with all of these options. For this one, I used this one here. So sky is the limit. And then what I love too is the butterfly body is separate, so you can do layering with that also. So this is the brand new Build a Butterfly die set. There is a Build a Butterfly coordinating stencil collection that goes with this beautifully. Speaking of stencils, we have one more stencil set that is just lovely. This is the Hearts and Stripes stencil collection. This is a layering stencil, and there's 3 pieces to this, and it creates a really fun pattern. My sample here is using some teal ink, and then I added some glitter paste over the hearts for a little dimension, and I actually added a little bit of shading with my yellow ink just to highlight them to make those little hearts pop. But it's such a fun pattern. This is the Hearts and Stripes stencil collection. Now we're going to move along to some fabulous press plates from Papertrey Ink. We have the brand new well-traveled hot foil plate. This goes great with that suitcase die, and look how fabulous this is. I foiled with some blue foil, and I just love the way this looks. This would go really well with our suitcase. Look how fun that looks. Makes you ready for a holiday. So much fun. I was super excited about this. So this is the brand new well-traveled hot foil plate. We have one more hot foil plate. Let me show you. And this is a play off of our winged serenity butterflies. You can create a background filled with butterflies, and I just love the style of these. I foiled with pink foil. I love how this turned out and how playful this is. So this will fit an A2 card front beautifully. And that is new. That is everything that's brand new with the Papertrey Ink's brand new June release. I hope this gives you a little bit of inspiration, and I hope you get a chance to check out the brand new release over at Papertrey Ink. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.